Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Guess what? It's me again, and this time around, I am back in the city right here in the Pearl of Africa. My last video, I was in the village. Yeah, but we traveled back to the city. So right now, I am in my home. Right now, I'm just standing right here in front of my compound. I'm gonna be here for the next couple weeks before I leave the country. Just wanted to come in here and check in with you guys and just show you a little bit of my life. This time around, today specifically, I do have a childhood friend that is visiting me here today. It's been a long time seeing her. It's been a long time. But each time me and her meet, it's just vibe. Me and her are such a happy team. I hope you'll see that. But yeah, she's my childhood friend. We grew up together. I think probably we were born the same year and we went through life transitions, pretty much around the same time. And yeah, of course, I don't live here in the Pearl. So whenever I come around, I kind of, get in touch with her and we hang out. Today, she's coming at my home, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of me and her when she gets here. But first, I want to show you my outfit of the day, guys. Look at me. I am in white all through because guess what? It's dry season and it's pretty hot over here. I was loving it when it was raining in the last couple weeks. The rain season is pretty. I love it myself. I really love the rain season compared to the dry season because oh my gosh, it's hot. Okay, that's one. Two, um, it's dusty everywhere because it's so dry. The air is dry, so everything dries up, and the dirt, lifts up off the ground, so it's pretty dusty everywhere. But it is what it is. What do we have to do? Nothing about that. So that explains why I decided to put on white all through here. It's quite tricky because the dust is too much, but I'm putting on white and I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. Here we go, guys. So I do have my shorts, white jeans, and I have this linen top over it, and I have this kind of like a throw or something like that, like this light throw. Otherwise, this is a sleeveless top, and I can keep it like this without the throw. But to have my complete outfit, I thought that probably having the throw will give it a complete look so that I look a little bit more put together. All right. Let me know if I'm not. Let me know if I'm not completely put together. And then I do have these cute sandals. They kind of have this woven material, a bit leatherette on top, and it's a rubber sole. I love them. They're very comfy, and the footbed is super soft. So they're pretty nice. I got those at the bottom. And other than that, I just have these dangly silver earrings, which I thought would match with I got on the ankline, my little ankline watch, plus this leather and silver bangle, and my wedding rings. And that's it pretty much. And this is my outfit of the day. So that is it for my outfit. And right now, I'm gonna wait for my girlfriend to come through the gate over here, and I will show you a little bit of our time together. Watch out for that. Hey guys, so as I wait for my girlfriend to come around, I was like, how about I show you my plants? Um, I have a little flower garden here, which I love so dearly because I planted it myself and I planted the flowers myself. And each time I come around and I just see them thriving, I'm just absolutely so happy about it. Of course, I'm not here to take care of them every single time, but we do have a helper who stays in our house. So he does take care of the compound and the flowers. But if you know, I guess you know that I do love plants. I do have a video among my first videos on here where I showcased my houseplants in my home or in my place where I live the most. And with that, it does explain that I really do love plants. And if I could live with plants inside the house and outside the house, I would do that. So I normally try everywhere I am to have plants. And since this girl is not here, let's do this. I'm gonna show you my plants, and I planted them myself. So first is these guys, and these guys right here, they come in so many different colors. Some of them have the dark green leaves, have the yellow and green mixture type of leaves. I'm gonna show you those ones on the, and sometimes some would have purple leaves, I believe, yeah, purple leaves or red color, something like that. But these plants are so gorgeous, and they never die. They just actually they do multiply a lot. So I have these here first, and let me take you along. So I have these guys here, and as you can see, they do multiply a lot. You have to just literally tame them or kind of cut out some that you don't want. And these right here, they bring these red beautiful plants. I did design my little garden, so I put this little stonework. I put this little stonework right here on the edges of the flower garden. So this is how it comes, and it's kind of like a stretch with curves. Yeah, it is kind of dry season right now, so some of them are drying. As a matter of fact, I need to weed them. We need to kind of, come in here and weed them. And then I have this beautiful, magnificent, big finger-like plant, but it has a bit of some thorns, so one's gotta be really careful getting close to that. Who knows the names of these guys? I don't know. I'll be honest with you, I don't know most of the names of these plants. So if somebody knows, please let me know. These guys here, these guys who I showed you at the beginning over there, I don't know what's the name. Neither do I know the name of this plant right here. But anyway, regardless, I do love my plants. And then the other one that I really love is this one right here. Look at the color purple. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love this for the color, and also it grows with this kind of like, ooh, look at the breeze. It's windy right now. Yeah, it kind of grows nice and straight and long, and you see it's flowy, doesn't have huge stems. The stems are just enough, you know. You can cut it or plant it anytime you want, and it's always gonna thrive. It doesn't die. And then I got this one right here. Ooh, smells so strong. I don't know what this is called either, but I do remember it's my brother who gave me this one. I'll be honest with you, I didn't like it because it's more like a shrub or something, and I knew it's not gonna bring out the beauty that I want, but he insisted, and of course I was like, it's okay. But she's here, and I love the color purple of the flowers, but still it's like a shrub which is just useless here. It kind of smells so strong. The leaves smell so strong. I'm thinking it's a herb or something like that. So that is that over there. And then we got these guys here. These are the ones who I had in purple. On the other side, sorry, in green. Over there, green and red plants. I mean, green and red flowers, right? So I got them here in this color, yellow, a mix of yellow and green. I thought I would love the color combination, but these right here, they barely ever flower. So I don't know whether it's the type, but they barely ever flower. Whenever they kind of start like flowering, they dry up, and the plant doesn't grow super long. As you can see, most of them are just right here. So this is looking like it's gonna flower, but it's gonna dry right away. So I got those guys there, and then let's go over here, right at the gates. Got these guys. What do you think of these guys? I love them. I love them too. I love them so much. These guys, they grow so well. They are beautiful. They have green and white leaves. They kind of flower, but the flowers don't really blossom that much. Of course, and these purple ones, which are tree-like, they're pretty nice. I love these guys. I love that section over there. And then of course I had these little ones. These are like the spider plants, I believe, but not really the spider plant. But the leaves look similar, as you can see. It's more like a shrub. So beautiful, so unique. And I do have another one that I want to show you. All right, so then I got these ones as well. Of course, I have that big one, the finger like spiky, like a pineapple plant, but it's not a pineapple. Yeah, but I do have these little ones which look like the spider plant as well. They are so beautiful. I have these on the edge of the garden at the front right here. So from this angle, this is how my flower garden looks like so, like that, and like that. So here comes my girl. My girlfriend is here. Tula tebajja kutulaba bulungi face. It's okay. It's okay, mwana gwe naye babiraba. Tulye ka pork. Mune kabadde kakapa naye namaze gakagula kubanga nebiri ebyamasavu ennyo. Bikubuzaako.
Njoo ekifakula cyane. Saagala kulabika nnyo naawe mu kamera.
Naawe
ndeka nze nzaamanyi
muva Bulaya ky'omulala.
Photogenic at
muva Bulaya ky'omulala gwe mufunye leero mmwe abasama. Eriyo Bena running.
Mama
Chris,
Fiona.
Mama Chris abeera kuno.
Mama Fiona. Naye tumaze.
Omwana gwa busozi. Emyaka 10. Era kutoksa.
Omukyalo Mukatuliki.
Gwe. Ne Mama Fio yazze. Ba,
Nene yanze.
Neka kakanyirira.
Wabanga atami mukaddiwa. Temukaddi. Mpira mbeera mu dduka. Ono akaddiwa ddi.
Tukaddu.
Ndi mutya? Kyekiriwo. N'ompira ng'oyagala kuddayo.
Mama gwe sinnatuusa. Nzirayo nga 22nd. So there's a week singa 2 n'ekitundu kumpi weeks 3. So nkyalina obudde. Abamanyi abantu abaibweru wajja nabeera weeks nga 2 at most 3. Nenze bwe najja kusooka ne tugenda mu kyalo ne tumalayo week. Kati awo nga ne bwokubira omuntu togenda. So guys, as you can see, this is me here with my girlfriend. I am so excited, as you can see right here. I mean, you may not really see how excited we were, but I just didn't capture, the in-between, like after she came into my home and up until us eating. I didn't capture that moment, but it was so massive. I just kind of feel at home whenever I'm with her. As you can see, our chats are just like sistery, you know? It's like me and her, like sisters. We literally talk about everything and anything. I know all about her family. She literally knows much about my family because we kind of grew up together really for, I would say, the first 18, 20 years of our lives. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we were literally siblings in a way, even if we weren't siblings at all. So at this point, we were just catching up. I cooked her a meal. I think it's one of my favorite meals, really. It's matoke or bananas, kind of kind of just like cooked together with vegetables, onions, and tomatoes. And I fried her one of my favorite type of thing, which is pork. And it was just so tasty. We just had that hearty meal. And this is us just catching up. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.